Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating my cozy corner. Come on with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called the Hot Cocoa and S'mores Station, and the theme is candy cane. So make sure and stay till the very end of the video. I cannot wait to get started, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. So 'tis the season to be jolly, guys. This is a time where we're drinking hot cocoa, we're making s'mores, we're doing all these wonderful, having all these wonderful treats. And so just make sure and stay till the end of the video, guys. Now, as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Now for my kitchen, I definitely am incorporating a lot of gingerbread, and this tall guy right here, I got him at the plus section of Dollar Tree. So now this time around, we're not having the graham crackers with the s'mores. We just decided that we wanted to have some oatmeal cookies with the marshmallow and the chocolate. That's going to be amazing, guys. Always remember to head on over to the community tab, where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month. So I used some Starbucks hot chocolate, and we went ahead and put some marshmallows in there. So I'm getting ready to light the candle and bring over the s'mores with the oatmeal cookies. They were absolutely amazing. So always remember that if you're eating it more frequently and your family likes other things, make sure and replace that in this video with whatever it is that you guys like. Remember, I never leave anyone out of any collaboration. Oh my goodness, so this was absolutely amazing, and we just love this. I think we're going to stick with the oatmeal cookies. have the towel over here off to the side. We lit the candles. Let's head on over to the reveal. And remember, guys, stay till the end. Now, there's one item here that I forgot in this theme was the candy cane. And so that's why I'm having you wait till the end, guys. So of course we have to go to a reveal with the candy cane spoons. So I never really seen these peppermint spoons, only in the Dollar Tree. So if you see them, grab them by the stack, guys, because you can use them all year round. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.